feel like most people in their lives are being allowed to live small. You're allowed to live a small life. Everyone around you would like you to live small. Just do this. You're good at that. Man, take it easy. Chill. When's enough enough? Like, come on, brother. You know where we all these messages you get is basically saying, hey, man, live small.
Yeah.
Life's not a big deal. Live small, enjoy it, chill, smoke a little weed, do whatever you want, right? Like, it's just this get by thing in life. And there's got to be some people who go, no, you're supposed to do something great with your life. You were born here to be average and ordinary. And there's all this messaging that you're average and ordinary, and you're average and ordinary because you belong there, and it's probably someone else's fault you're average and ordinary too. And I'm like, no, it's your life. You're in control. It's no one else's fault, and you're supposed to do something magnificent. That's the consciousness aspect. The last 1,000 years on earth, doing something great has been reserved to this one little group of people, 1% of the population. They're supposed to do something great. They're supposed to live their dreams. We're supposed to watch them, cheer for them, wear their jersey, watch their award show, comment on their posts, clean their houses, right? Feed them in their restaurants. No. The fact of the matter is, you can do those things. You can change your life. And I'm sick and tired of this hero worship. You live small, cheer for everybody else who lives big. No, if you're a school teacher, be the best damn school teacher. Change the world by those little lives you're affecting. If you're on social media, change the world. Play big. You will never do it wrong if your decision is to do the bigger thing than the smaller thing. That's what I would tell you. Stop playing small. Stop thinking small, and don't let anybody tell you you should be small.
The people I know that are really happy are very self-aware. In fact, the best entrepreneurs I know are very self-aware. They're aware of their shortcomings, right? They want to improve them. They want to get to the next version of themselves all the time. And so, for me, self-confidence comes because I didn't have it. And I think anytime you meet somebody like yourself or myself who might now appear self-confident, because I really had to find tools and resources because I was so insecure and shy and introverted. So I had to find techniques and resources to build that up in me. And for me, it's very simple. It's the promises that I keep to myself. If I have a habit over and over of beginning to stack one on top of the other, of keeping promises I make to me, not other people. In other words, the minute you begin to get external in your life, worrying about what other people think about you, right? You've lost all control. And it never fills you up. And people's admiration, people's gratitude towards you will never fill you up. It's your own. It's your own inside.
What motivates you to keep going every day? Why do you wake up if you're just gonna settle with what life gives you? But you should rather wake up focused, determined, with the mindset of, I will attack this day. I won't let anything get to me. You may have those people in your life who are assigned to make you feel bad. But will you let them complete their mission? Or will you fulfill your destination and your purpose for being on this earth? You're great at something. It's up to you to find out what it is. And you can't say you didn't know, because I'm telling you right now that you don't always have these opportunities. These moments in life where you sit and think about what you're doing. That you sit and think about, this is the moment that I can become great. That I can become the next Mark Zuckerberg. I can become the next Larry Ellison. You can do whatever you put your mind to. If you choose to give up, if you choose to let life give you lemons and you don't make lemonade, it's your fault. Once you breathe your last breath, no one's gonna ask, did you become great? Because they'll know. They'll know if you fulfill your full potential, and you'll know it too. What will be your legacy? Will people just remember you for being a good person? Or will people remember you for being great and changing lives and helping others and giving back? You have the power. You have the knowledge. You have the strength to be and do whatever you want to do and be whoever you want to be. This is just a part of the chapter in your life. If you want to be that known entrepreneur, you have to get yourself out there. You have to work and you have to grind day after day after day. If you want to be that athlete that everyone knows and loves to be around and loves to watch, you have to work when no one's watching. You have to train like there is no tomorrow. You have to work at it every day. There is no one perfect on this earth, and you won't change that. I can't either, but you can improve just a little bit every day. And that's why today is that day. you make that change, and greatness will be at your footstool.